Hello, I'm Deepak Mishra from the Review 34 batch of the Guvi database course. Firstly, I'd like to thank all my mentors, Guvi faculty who has been extremely supportive throughout this course. Due to nature of my work, I used to call them at odd hours even when they were always available and were very responsive. So thank you lot to everyone. Secondly, talking about the course itself, the course is very well structured and covers almost all the topics in great detail. So one of the pros of this course was that even an experienced person or a fresher can take this course and learn something out of it. Apart from this, the regular doubt solving sessions and the query portals were very helpful for me whenever I was stuck somewhere. The placement support is also very great, and inspiring the sessions were scheduled specifically for those placements like interview questions and resume building. So throughout, I am very satisfied with the course and I will recommend it to anyone. Thank you.